Hello everyone, welcome to our Easy Cooking, Easier Chinese program. I hope you have got ready with a pencil, a notebook, and, of course, a kitchen. Well, last time I talked about how to make stir-fried potato shreds, 土豆丝. Today's special dish will be welcomed by meat lovers. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we are making today. Here it is. I'm sure you can tell what they are. Yes, these are chicken wings. And not just any chicken wings. This time we will use an exciting beverage during the cooking. That is Coca-Cola. So this dish is called Cola chicken wings. And in Chinese it's 可乐鸡翅. 可乐鸡翅. Accordingly, 可乐 is a transliteration of cola. 鸡 means chicken, either meat or animal depending on the context. 翅 means wings. Now let's learn a bit more about the character 鸡. If you look at the earliest known character for chicken, 鸡, you will instantly realize it's like a picture of the animal itself. On the right column, you will see the evolution of the character 鸡 throughout the Chinese history. The first two characters here are called pictographic characters, which I mentioned last time. These are independent characters which directly illustrate the shapes of things. So you will find these two characters look exactly like hand paintings of a real chicken. However, there has been some dramatic change on the character later on. These 5 characters here show us a compound character made up of 2 components, the left part and the right part. What's more, there are actually 2 similar but different characters used at the same time. This and this. And they're both pronounced as 鸡. In fact, these 2 characters are still in use today, and they are called traditional Chinese characters, mainly used in Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan, and some overseas Chinese communities. On the other hand, mainland China has introduced a set of simplified Chinese characters since 1950. So this simpler character 鸡 is what the majority Chinese people have been using today. Now, we have 2 questions. What is the new type of compound character called? And why are there 2 different characters for chicken? To answer these questions, let's take a closer look at the 2 traditional characters. You will notice that they have the same left parts. This part by itself is pronounced as 西, which is similar to the pronunciation of 鸡, chicken. So they are used to represent the pronunciation of the character 鸡. And then their right parts are essentially different. In fact, the right part in the top character originally means birds with short tail, whereas the right part in the bottom character originally means birds with long tail. So now, can you guess what kind of chicken they each refer to? Yes, we know that usually roosters have long tails and hens have short tails. So these 2 different characters are used to tell male chickens from female ones. And here we also notice a new way of character formation, making up a character with 2 parts. One part implies the pronunciation. The other part implies the meaning. So these characters are called pictophonetic characters. Nowadays, most Chinese people only use the simplified character 鸡, which refers to chicken in general. But The left and right structure still reminds us that this is a pictophonetic character, and it was transformed from its pictographic origins. Now, in cooking, the character for chicken 鸡 means the meat. To be more specific, we can say 鸡肉, which means chicken meat. So what are the common 鸡肉? There are chicken wings, 鸡翅, chicken legs, 鸡腿, and chicken breast, 鸡胸. Apart from chicken meat, 鸡肉, we also depend on the eggs as a major nutrition source. So, chicken eggs are called 鸡蛋. As an animal, 鸡, or chickens, have been domesticated by Chinese people for a long time, and it is also one of the 12 Chinese zodiac animals. There are a number of interesting Chinese idioms which are associated with the character 鸡 as well. For example, there is an idiom, 鹤立鸡群. Here, the first character, 鹤, means the bird crane. 立 means stand. 鸡 is chicken, and 群 means the group. So literally, it means a crane standing among a group of chickens. Can you picture it and guess what it means? Yes, it is used to describe something or someone that is absolutely outstanding or obviously better than others. Another interesting idiom is 小肚鸡肠. Here, the first character 小 means small, 肚 means stomach, 鸡 is chicken, and 肠 means gut. You may think it sounds a bit disgusting, but the emphasis is on the small size of these organs. So if someone is described as having a small stomach or chicken guts, 小肚鸡肠, it means he or she is very petty or narrow-minded. Okay, so much for the learning of the fascinating character 鸡. Now it's time for us to write it down on your notebook. Let's follow the strokes and start from the left side to the right side. How many strokes are here altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 strokes. Have you wrote it down already? Don't forget its pronunciation, 鸡, and the meaning, chicken. Okay, now let's move on to the kitchen and learn how to make the dish cola chicken wings. 可乐鸡翅.
Hello everyone. I hope you are now ready for making the delicious dish today. 可乐鸡翅, cola chicken wings. The main ingredients you're going to need are chicken wings, a can of cola, some ginger, and dark soy sauce. Now, let's get started.
Every chicken wing has its upper part and the lower part, which are connected at the knuckle. So we will cut these two apart from each other because this is going to make it easier for us to eat later. Also, we will try to make some small cuts at the surface of the meat. This is going to help us when we marinate the chicken wings because we want the seasoning sauce to get inside the meat very easily. After finishing the cutting, we're going to marinate the chicken wings. Just put all of them in a big bowl and then pour in some dark soy sauce, And then mix them together. Make sure all the chicken wings are covered with the sauce. And then we can leave them there for about 5 minutes. After marinating the chicken wings, we're going to blanch them. Now prepare a wok with some clear water and put it on the stove. You can add 2 slices of ginger. Now put all the chicken wings into the water and put on a lid. So we can wait for the water to boil. When the water starts to boil, you will see there are a lot of bubbles. So we're going to wash all the chicken wings with warm water. After washing off all the bubbles, we can put the chicken wings on some kitchen towel and dry them. Now we can use a non-stick frying pan to cook the chicken wings with medium heat. Just put the chicken wings into the pan one by one without adding any extra oil because the chicken wings themselves already contain the fat. When one side of the chicken wings turns golden brown, you are going to turn it over and cook the other side as well. When both sides of the chicken wings have turned golden brown, it's time for us to use the Coca-Cola. You can pour in half can of the cola and then 2 slices of ginger. Also add a little bit dark soy sauce, stir them, and then put on a lid. Wait for it to boil. After boiling for a while, the sauce will start to thicken. Wait until there is still a little sauce in the pan, and then you can put in a little salt. And then we'll stir all the chicken wings. And now it's time to take them out. Turn off the stove and put the chicken wings on a plate one by one. Now, in the end, don't forget to pour all the sauce in the pan onto the chicken wings.
Okay, now our delicious dish is ready. 可乐鸡翅 Cola chicken wings. Let's have a try. Very similar to roasted chicken wings, but with a special cola flavor. You will definitely like it. Don't forget to email us the picture of your yummy result. Thank you for watching our program. See you next time. Goodbye.